So I used to have a negative opinion about the ergonomics of the Fuji XS-10. A few years ago in some of my videos, I talked about how the grip wasn't quite big enough for my hand. You can see my hands, as big as this camera. It's a small camera, but I wasn't holding it right. You kind of have to hold it at an angle with your fingers hanging off down there and your thumb just going straight up, so it's right in between this notch and this. You can't hold it like you would hold a 5D Mark III or something like that. So yeah, I mean, if you hold it correctly, it does have really good ergonomics. The microphone port is in a good place, and I like how that flap just kind of opens up the way it does. The ZV-E10, I really didn't like the flap as much, or the ZV-1, as I do this one. And I like that the screen is protected when you're putting it in a bag and stuff like that. It works really good for like a vlogging type camera. I like the flip screen, and it's really a small, compact camera. With the kit lens, the 15-45, I can fit it in my pocket if I'm wearing basketball shorts or something like this. It might kind of pull them down and be kind of heavy in there, but it's a pretty small, lightweight camera. And yeah, I like not having the pad here. I like having room for my thumb, because I don't really have large hands, but they're pretty large for most Fuji cameras. Got the Sigma 56 on there. I made a whole video about that and a whole video about the kit lens recently, so check those out. Yeah, I really like the ergonomics. I like putting this in just aperture priority. I'm just messing around with the aperture using the front dial or the back dial for the aperture. So for video, I like aperture priority. I like to use this for just talking headshots. It's pretty good autofocus, same as you find like the X-T4. So yeah, I've changed my mind about it. It's a really good camera. I like classic negative. Works really good for that. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this kind of content, scroll through my channel. Check out some of my other videos about this camera and this lens. And if you are keeping your options open for alternative ways to make income besides your job, hit me up in the comments section. Also, if you're looking for nutritional supplements, I've got a whole website about that. Yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.